Hello. So these are instructions on how to use EnglishPage.com for practicing verb tenses. So you follow the link on Merhab Limon and you get to this page. You scroll down a little bit, you get to this part where it says verb tense exercises. Here you have a long list of the exercises. Here, topics covered means what kind of exercise they are giving. So, for example, here it's a simple past and present perfect. You think you don't know how to use present perfect and simple past well, so you go to this exercise, exercise 6. Click on it, and you get to this page, verb tense exercise number 6, simple past and present perfect. Now here you have an instruction. Using the words in parentheses, so here, for example, change, complete the text below with the appropriate tenses, then click the check button to check your answers. And the check button is here in the end. Okay, let's try. Since computers were first introduced to the public in the early 1980s, technology, something, a great deal. Okay, so now I have to put change into either past simple or present perfect. Now, I know that since is a time expression for present perfect, so I will put change into present perfect has changed. Okay, technology has changed. Okay, it has an effect to the present day. Okay, let's continue. The first computers, simple machines designed for basic tasks. Okay. Now I think this is about, this must be past simple, because this is something that happened in the past, does not have any relevance for today. So I say the verb to be in past simple. Okay. Now, this is the way you continue. If you don't know, if you're not sure, there is something called hint here. What does it mean? If you don't know how you should start the answer, you can say hint. It says a correct letter has been added. It gives you the first letter here to give you an idea, a hint about what you should write here. Okay, and it must be they did not have much memory, and so on. So in the end, when you have done all of them, you click on check, and it shows you your score. Now it's very low because we did not do everything, and it also says that some answers are incorrect. And those ones have been left in place for you to change. So let's go and have a look. Okay, so these that we did are correct, but the ones that we did not do yet are left open, so you can try it again and then again check in the